Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can get Slack notifications on Fluent form submissions. Now what is happening here? We are having form submissions in our Fluent forms, and then the details from those forms will go to our Slack channel where we already have our team present to take action on those forms. Okay. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Fluent forms and Slack together. Now this automation is very useful for people who are into e-commerce industries or who are into software industries and they want their team to work on particular issues through form submissions. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that and press enter, we will be redirected to the screen here, and you will see that we will have two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in directly. Signing up is also very easy. It will only take you 2 minutes to do that, and signing up will also give you 100 free tasks from our side every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in here, and then I will click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And now what we are going to do, you can see we have all the automations here. Now I'm just going to click on create workflow and I will give my workflow a name. So now we are going to give this workflow a name, and here I am going to type in Fluent Forms to Slack. Now I am connecting these two applications. That is why I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. Let us just click on create, and as soon as we will do that, you will see that we will have two windows here. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So in trigger window, what we are going to do, we are going to have a Fluent form. So we will go for Fluent forms, and then we are going to go for new form submission. Now you can see we have this webhook URL. Now this webhook URL will help us connect our Fluent forms to our Pabbly Connect account, and after that we can proceed with our next steps of our automation. Now how you are going to connect your Fluent forms to your Pabbly Connect account, here you can see these are the instructions given here. Navigate to left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard, settings, WP webhook, send data, click on form submitted under Fluent forms, and then you can read on and on and on. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So first we will have to go to WordPress. After that, let me just show you, this is my Fluent forms. And we are going to use this form today, report issue, okay? So we will go first to the settings. And from settings, we are going to go for WP webhooks. Now, after going to WP webhooks, we are going to go for send data. So here you can see we have this option of send data here. After that, we are going to select Fluent forms. So let me just find where Fluent forms is. Learn dash. Okay, so here we have Fluent forms. We will click on this Fluent forms, and now here you can see we have the option to add a new webhook URL. So we will click on add webhook URL. Webhook name is Fluent forms to Slack, and here we are going to paste the Pabbly Connect webhook URL or the webhook URL which we are going to get from Pabbly Connect. We will go here, paste it, click on add for Fluent form submitted, and as soon as we will do that, you will see a new webhook URL has been added, Fluent forms to Slack. Now what we will do, we will click on these three dots here, and after that we are going to go to settings. And now what we are going to do, we have to select the form in which we are going to make our submission. So we are going to use this report issue. So we will click on report issue, and then we will click on save settings, which means whenever we are going to have submission in our report issue form, we will be having a new data in our Pabbly Connect webhook response. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to embed this form in a new page, because that is necessary to do. Whenever you are going to embed the form in your website, you have to do this. Go to pages, add new. Let me first take the embed URL link. So you can see this is the report issue form. go to edit, and here you can see this is the embed URL link. Copy this, go back to pages, add new, and give here the name reporting issues form, and here just paste it. Okay, now click on apply settings, or you do not have to click on apply settings, you can just go for publish directly. And as soon as you will click on publish, you will see a new form will open here. So now this form has been published. We will click on this link here, permalink, and we will open the form, and you will see that a new form will come here. Now I am just going to fill up this form, and the data of that form will be taken here automatically to our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so we will go here, first name Arpit, last name Sharma, email is arpitsharma4321. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Issue title Google Sheets trigger. Issue description can't send data to next application on adding new row. Okay, so this is the issue. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on submit, and as soon as I will click on submit, you will see the form will be submitted. Thank you for your message, we'll get in touch with you shortly. And here I have captured the webhook response. The person's name is Arpit Sharma, and arpitsharma4321@gmail.com is the mail. Here you can see this is the title, and this is the description. Okay, so our first step of connecting our Fluent forms to our Pabbly Connect account is now complete. Now what we are going to do in our action step, we are going to go for Slack, because we are using Slack. So we will go for Slack, and here we are going to send channel message. Now I will click on connect, and now I will go for add new connection, connect with Slack, and here it is asking you for the token type. So we are using a bot, so we will copy the bot, or we can just type in the bot manually. Why to copy such a short word? Save it, and now it will ask you for the authorization. So you have to give authorization to Pabbly Connect, and do not worry, Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. Okay, now channel, so I have several channels here: general, cognito forms, Pabbly Connect, random, sand in blue. So you can see here I have one channel, Pabbly Connect. So let me use this channel, Pabbly Connect, but I have two channels here. So which one is mine? Okay, let us just go for cognito forms. That would be much better. Or let us just add a new channel, create a new channel. Why to get confused? So the name of the channel is Fluent Forms. Create, add. So okay, so we have a new channel, Fluent Forms. We will go here. You cannot see Fluent Forms here because we do not have Fluent Forms here. For that we are going to refresh, and as soon as we will refresh, we will have Fluent Forms here, and we have this Fluent Forms here. Okay, now it is asking us for the message, so we have to input a message. And for this message, what I am going to do, I am just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and I will take the data from this window here, and I will put the data here in this window. Okay, so I'll just go here, type in my message, hello team, we have received a new integration request from, and now I will just go for the first name of the person and the last name of the person, Arpit Sharma. After that, what he is asking Google Sheets trigger. So title of the issue. Now I'm just going to map the title of the issue, Google Sheets trigger. Description of the issue, and I'm going to map in the description, which is this, and then at last I am going to map in his email details so that people can or my team can contact him. So the email is arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. I do not have any image URL, image alt text or something like that, so I'm not going to use that. Bot name is Fluent Forms bot. Okay. Now I will just go. I'm not gonna change anything here. We can keep it as it is, and then we will click on save and send test request. Now as soon as I will do that, you can see we have a new message in our channel, and when we will go back to Slack, you can see here Fluent Forms bot is the name. Hello team, we have received a new integration request from Arpit Sharma. Title of the issue: Google Sheets trigger. Description of the issue: can't send data to next application on adding new row. Email is this. Okay. So this is how you can create this automation. Now let us just test this automation once again by creating a new submission. So here we have Swati. First name is Swati. Next name is Sharma. Email is swati678@gmail.com. Issue title: send in blue. Send in blue contact issue. Can't add contacts in send in blue. Please help me with the solution. Okay. So this is the description, and now I'm just going to click on submit. And as soon as I will click on submit, it will take some time to go it will take some time for my data to go from this part here, from form submission, to this part Slack. And when we will open our Slack, you will see that we have a new message from our Fluent Forms bot. Hello team, we have received a new integration request from Swati Sharma. Title of the issue: send in blue contact issue. Description of the issue: can't add contacts in send in blue. Please help me with the solution. Okay. So our automation is working fine, and this is how you can create new automation, and this is how you can connect your Fluent Forms with your Slack, so that whenever there is a submission in your Fluent form, it will automatically be sent to your Slack channel, where you have your team to take action on that particular submission. So I hope you loved this automation, and if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this workflow into your account. But for that, you need to go and have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.